All right, so customer brought the truck to us and requested that we replace their hinges because of corrosion. Well, upon further inspection, hinges don't look bad at all. They hinge, they do everything they do, they're not corroded through, but then upon closer inspection, oh, wait, there it is. There's no frame rail. Yeah, the galvanic corrosion has made the aluminum go away. So I'm gonna have to cut or unbolt this hinge and replace this section of frame rail. Hang on. So this is underneath looking back. I'm gonna unbolt these side plates, lift this out of here, cut that frame off, replace that frame, plate it, do everything I need to do, and replace this subframe, freaking sill, whatever, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, I got to replace that. So yeah, let's get into it. Oh, and just a side note, the truck smells pretty, like car wash pretty. So they went that extra step to clean it up before I worked on it. So kudos to that. I love it when people actually think of the people working on their trucks. It's nice. So anyway, yeah, let's get into this. All right, lift kit is properly installed. So it's not quite as bad as I thought it was going to be. Still pretty bad. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna replace that right meow. So I just chatted with Boss Man. This customer is far from cheap. He likes stuff done right, and these hinges do have a bit of play. So we're gonna go ahead and make the hinges right anyway. So I have to make up a new set of hinges and the frame rail. So this whole back end will be essentially new. So yeah, we're gonna get into this. I'm gonna do these first, and then I'll do the frame rails. Yep. All right, got it all cleaned up, prepped, ready to go, cut out. Just getting ready to go ahead and make those. Got all this cleaned up. So yeah. All right, I went backwards from what I said I was gonna do. We had some hinges on order, and I was hoping they were gonna come in, so I went ahead and did the frame rails and got all those done, burned in, ready to go. I'm making the hinges now. Hinges never came in, so I'm making them from scratch. And I got all my pieces cut out. I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling it all. Turn these out, put grease zerks in them. Yay, let's get it. All right, so I got these nailed together. They're still just a tad warm. But hey, look what came in. I'm gonna go ahead and put those on the shelf and finish these up because mine are a little bit more stout. And yeah, anyway, just have to make some side plates and pin them up. There we go. All right, got my side plates in, got my hinges all mounted up. Very nice. These mine have a significantly tighter tolerance than the other ones too, so I'm pretty happy with that. Oh yeah. So anyway, let's lose the lift kit, lower it down, and weld her up. All right, got it all mounted up, welded up, painted up, ready to go. The Zerks take grease, and she's all good. So let me give you an underview. All right, there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and hook the salt spreader back up, and we're gonna call her done.